How to zoom in or zoom out on CapCut. Let's get started. Firstly, launch your CapCut and make sure you have already imported the video that you want to zoom in or zoom out. Once you have selected the video, at the right corner you're gonna find different options as video, speed and so on. Click on the option of video. Under that you will find the option of basic. Click on it. Under basic you will find the option of scale. Using that option you are able to zoom in or zoom out the video. In order to zoom in or zoom out this specific part of the video, you have to use the keyframe. So go ahead and click on this icon given over here, click on it. Make sure to place the straight line over where you want to zoom in or zoom out the video. Once you apply the keyframe, now you can use the scale option to zoom in or zoom out. Swiping to the right will zoom in the video, likewise swiping to the left will zoom out the video. For now, I will be zooming out. I have used this keyframe in different part of the video. Now let's play the video. So this is how you can easily zoom in or zoom out any video using CapCut. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.